Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Subway-style tuna sandwich at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and your favorite fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Don't forget a fresh loaf of Italian or wheat bread to complete your perfect homemade sub. This simple recipe brings the classic taste right to your kitchen. Now, let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the tuna salad. Begin by thoroughly draining 2 5-ounce cans of tuna to remove excess liquid. Next, transfer the drained tuna to a bowl and add approximately 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Season with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything together until the tuna is perfectly creamy and all ingredients are well combined. With our tuna salad ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Carefully slice your chosen bread lengthwise, making sure not to cut all the way through. Open it up and generously spread the creamy tuna mixture from edge to edge. Now, pile on your favorite fresh vegetables, such as crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. Feel free to customize with pickles or olives for an extra burst of flavor and texture. Finally, for those finishing touches, you might consider a light drizzle of olive oil or a dash of red wine vinegar to enhance the flavors. For best results, wrap your completed sandwich tightly in parchment paper for about 5 minutes. This helps the flavors meld beautifully. Serve your delicious homemade Subway-style tuna sandwich immediately and enjoy. This recipe makes enough for 2 satisfying 6-inch subs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.